Hey, today's video is all about DIY canvas art. If that sounds like something you want to make, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. Hey everybody, I am Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring videos. From crafts to home decor, kids projects, and simple recipes, you can find new videos right here every week. If that sounds like something you like, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. So today's video, we are talking about DIY canvas art. We are going to make some statement pieces that will look great in your kitchen. Now these pieces happen to be a knockoff of something I found at Hobby Lobby and just fell in love with. Do you ever do that? You're walking through a store and something just catches your eye and you're like, I need that in my home. Well, I flipped over to the back of these canvas pieces that I found and they were about $18 a piece. And being the crafter that I am, I thought I can make that for less. Which makes this video the perfect addition to this month's Look for Less challenge. This challenge is hosted by Yami, the Latina next door, and this month her co-host is Casey from Coffee with My Sunshine. Every month, Yami asks us to recreate a piece of home decor that we found in a store for less, like a lot less. So these canvas art pieces, they're actually beautiful sketched herbs on canvas with a black frame, retail for about $18 a piece. So after I saw those pieces at Hobby Lobby, I came home and I had the supplies to make them in my craft room, meaning I didn't have to buy anything. So technically, this cost me $0. But I am gonna link down in the description below a few of the go-to items that I have in my craft room that if you need to go buy, you can go get them. But making them, even if you have to buy all the supplies, is still less than buying the original pieces. So let's jump in and let me show you how to make this DIY canvas art for your kitchen. So I started with a white 9x12 canvas. Then I grabbed a couple pictures of herbs that I found online for free. I have parsley and cilantro. Those are the two that I chose to hang in my kitchen. And I just printed them out to fit the canvas. Then I grabbed some carbon paper, which is gonna help me transfer that image. I grabbed a journal or any hard book. This is gonna help to put underneath the canvas to provide a nice hard surface. Then I used a scissors and some washi tape, as well as a pencil. And then some watercolor pencils just to add a little touch at the end of the project. Now I started by putting the book underneath the canvas to provide a good hard surface to do this project. Next, I'm going to cut out the first picture of my herb just so I don't have a lot of extra paper on the side there. Now for the carbon paper, has tissue on one side and the black carbon on the other side. I'm going to put the black side down onto the canvas, and then I'm just going to use some washi tape to tape it down. Now what this does is when you draw on this, it leaves a carbon line behind. So I'm going to put my herb sketch on top of this. Again, use some washi tape just to tape it down. And now I'm just going to use a pencil and go over the outline of this herb. And you don't have to push very hard, a light touch will do. You can kind of peek underneath the carbon paper to see how your sketch is coming along as you go. And it's coming along nicely, just the outline here. Now, I'm also going to go through and just trace some of the shaded areas. And then when I pull off the carbon paper, this is the result that I have, a beautiful sketched herb. Now I'm going to go back with a nice black pencil and shade in some of the middle areas and darken up the stem a bit, just really give it the look that I want. Now I did this for both the parsley and the cilantro, and it was really just a soothing kind of artistic time to create with these pencils. And as a final touch for the black frame, I just painted on some black around the outside instead of using wood for an actual frame. It gives it a beautiful effect. I hope you found that canvas art inspiring and you are ready to go create your own. If you like knockoff projects like this, be sure to check out this month's Look for Less Challenge playlist, where you will find all kinds of projects just like this one. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Here at Creative Ramblings, I share new videos every week. Now, if you're in the mood for more DIY projects, check out this video right here and do some more crafting with me. Want more simple, inspiring projects? Be sure to follow Creative Ramblings over on Instagram. I've got behind the scenes stories and sneak peeks of my projects up every day.